boys and girls. I'm Mrs. Hofer, and we're going to do math together again today. We're going to start off by warming up our brain and doing a little fluency practice, and we are going to be subitizing dots. We did that the other day. Remember, when you look at the dots, you want to see if you can count how many are in the set. Well, know how many are in the set without counting, or find smaller sets within the bigger set. So I'm going to show you some dots, and then I'm going to show you the way I thought about it, and maybe we thought about it the same way. So I'm only going to show it to you for a short time, and I want you to see if you can tell me how many dots there are. Are you ready? Set. Okay, how many dots did you see? That's right, you should have said 6. And let's look at that. Now, I think this one's kind of easy because when I have a dice, I have 3 and 3 on the dice. But I can circle that with 3 and 3, and I know that 3 and 3 make 6. Okay, let's try another one. Okay. Our next set looks like this. Well, that one's a little harder. Did you have time to figure out how many were on the paper? Okay. What do you think it is? Ready, set, how many? That's right. It was 6 again. Look at this. Okay. When I look at this one, I still like to see it as 3 and 3. So I like to group these 3 together, and then I like to group these 3 together. So I saw 3 and 3, and again, I know that 3 and 3 is the same as 6. Okay, did you see it a different way? Maybe some of you saw 1 and 5. Did anyone see it that way? Good. Or maybe you saw it as 2 and 4. And 2 and 4 make 6. Okay, those are all hidden numbers inside that bigger number 6. Okay, so let's switch. Try it again. Oh, I think you're going to really be able to get this one. Okay, ready? Go. And done. Was that too fast? Okay. What number did you see? Ready, set, say it. That's right, it was the number 6. And the reason why I thought you might get this one fast is because I see 3 and 3 pretty fast on this one. So 3 dots and 3 dots, that's the same as 6. Did you practice counting to 100 yesterday? I sure hope so. And if you didn't, I want you to do it today. You should be practicing every day with an adult, with someone that can listen to you. So it could be an older brother or sister or an uncle or a friend that knows how to count to 100. Okay, here we go. Last one. Ready, set, subitize. And I'm taking it down. Okay. I like to, yeah, that was right. It was 6 again. So I like to look and find that group of 3 because 3 is pretty easy to see without counting. And then I see, whoops, I'm left with another group of 3. So 3 and 3, that's the same as 6. Good job. Okay. So that's our warm-up for today. And now we are going to have a little pretend I have a little party set up for my dolls today. I'm going to have a pretend tea party. And I brought some supplies with me, and I sure hope I have enough. So today, you're going to help me see if we can have this party for my little dolls over here. So I will see you in just a second. Okay, so here are my dolls. These dolls belong to my mom. She thought they were pretty cute, but their faces are, some of them don't look very happy. So we're going to throw them a party today. And I brought along some cups and some napkins, and I have some spoons, and I have some plates, okay? And we're going to give them and see if we have enough. How many dolls are at my party today? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 dolls. Okay, so let's give each one of my dolls a plate. Let's see if I have enough. Are you ready? So we have one for that doll. Maybe I better move them over just a little so we have more room. Let's see. There. All right. Oops. Sorry. Okay. Oh, he doesn't want to sit up today. I don't know if I can get him to sit. Okay. And then that one. And I have one for this doll and one for this doll. Can you see them all? Let's see if we can get them all in. Let's move that one back. Okay. Now, do they each have a plate? I don't have any more plates. Do I have enough? Yes, they all have a plate. So if I have 4 dolls, then how many plates do I have? That's right, I have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, because I have just enough for my dolls. Okay? My dolls just don't want to sit. All right, now I'm going to give my dolls a spoon. So I have my spoons here. And let's see if we have enough spoons. Okay, so we have one there, and one there. Uh-oh, I don't have any more spoons. What am I going to do? How many more spoons do I need? That's right. I need one more spoon. I found one more spoon right here. So now we have 4 plates, 4 spoons, and 4 dolls. Okay, now we're going to give them all a cup. Okay, I have a stack of cups here. Let's see if I have enough. All right, I have one for this. Oh boy, that's going to cover it up. I'm going to put it back here by the doll. I have one there, one there, one there, and one here. Wait a minute. Do I have enough cups? I do have enough cups, but I also have an extra cup today. So I have enough, but I have one extra. How many cups did I have? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now instead of having just enough, I have one too many over here. So I have 4 dolls, 4 cups, or 4 plates, 4 spoons. I have 5 cups, so I don't need this one. So I'm going to take it away because that's one too many. Okay, now it's time to give them each a napkin for the party. Okay, so we're going to give them 1 and 2. Do we have enough napkins? Oh no, we're missing. How many more napkins do I need? Oh, right, I need 1, 2. I need 2 more napkins. 1, 2. So now how many napkins do I have? That's right, I have 4. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 dolls, 4 cups, 4 plates, 4 spoons. And now it's time for our party. So I'm going to give them some food and let them have their party. And we will come right back after the party. If you have any dolls, you can set up a tea party. Ask your grown-up if you can set up a party. Maybe you have stuffed animals and you can get out some plates and napkins and maybe make it a party for 5 or 6. Okay? All right. So now I have some frogs. And I have some little blue squares for my frogs. And I want to know if I have enough squares for my frogs. So what I'm going to do to figure that out is I'm going to match my square to my frog. So I can put my square there. So that one goes to that frog, just kind of like we did with our dolls. We're going to see if we have enough. And do we have enough? Yes, we do. So we have just enough squares for our frogs. And we could count them. Let's count our frogs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And count our squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's right. They have to be the same. Since we have enough, the number is the same of each item. Okay, so today you're going to be working with your math page that looks like this. It's lesson 17, and then there's a page that looks like this. Okay, so you're going to need both of those. And on the first one with the smiley faces, it says, draw enough chairs for each smiley face. How many chairs did you draw? So what I think that I would do is I would draw a chair right under the smiley face. That way I know if I have enough, right? So my strategy is to make a chair. There's a chair for that smiley face. Chair for that one. A chair for that one. He gets a chair. And there, they all have a chair. Well, how many chairs did I draw? Ready? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If I have 6 chairs, how many smiley faces do I have? That's right, I have 6 smiley faces. So then that means we have enough chairs for our smiley faces. Okay, and then you're going to turn this one over, and you're going to see if you have enough flowers for the butterflies. And one thing that you can do is to draw a line to connect the two, since they're not close together like our frogs were to our tiles. So we can take a ruler or a straight edge, and we can draw a line from our flower to our butterfly. So that flower goes with that butterfly. This flower goes to this butterfly. This one goes here. This one goes here. Let's see if we're going to have enough. Oh, it looks like we might. Let's see. And do we have enough flowers for our butterflies? We do, because we have every butterfly is connected to a flower. Now it says on the back of your paper, draw some plates and then draw enough apples so that each plate has one. Okay, so on the back of your paper, you get to decide how many. Draw some plates and then draw some apples so that each plate has one. Okay, so that is, we're comparing to find out if there are enough of the objects. Okay, and I also, on IXL, there is a comparing numbers like that, and I will put a link to that on the front of the math classroom that I want you to try at home. All right, see you next week.